Hello Shane, how are you? My name is Viviana Olaya. I was referred to you by Madison, and in this video I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to increase the traffic to your website. So I'm going to be covering the website, the front page, the Google Business Profile, as well as backlinks. So let's start with your homepage. I can see here that you have your logo with the click to call button and links to the different back pages. You have the contact us form, and then it goes like a gallery of the different jobs that you have performed, and then contact details and links to your social media accounts. So there are a few things that you could do. So first of all, the click to call button over here, it could be a little bit more easy to find. So make it very visible, make it very easy for anyone to reach out to you. And in terms of the amount of content, right now your front page has 130 words. If I have a look at one of your competitors, Palmetto Landscaping and Design, these guys have 725 words in their homepage. So that's definitely something that you could look into because it's through content that you can push through more relevant buyer intent keywords so that Google can first understand your website, what it is about, and then find you for those relevant keywords. And to be optimized for Google, you want to have between 500 and 2,000 words. So definitely an opportunity for you there just to throw in more content with more buyer intent keywords. I came here to the Google search and I type in landscaping South Carolina. And in here, you get the first section is the Google Ads, which are really good at driving traffic and generating leads quickly. Then you have the Google Business Profile, which is this map back over here. And in here, to rank at the top, you need three things. You need optimized and geo-tag pictures, you need reviews, and Google wants to see that you're interacting with your customers. And you also need something that we call citations, which is basically to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages and Yelp, um, things like that. And the name, address, and phone number in those directories of the company need to match those of your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details, and then you can start ranking at the top and grab one of these top 3 positions because this section drives 30 to 40% of the traffic. The third section is what we know as the Google Organic Search. And to rank here, first you need a responsive and safe website. And Google needs to find you and start ranking you for the relevant searches that users are performing. And then you need something that we call backlinks. And to analyze that, and here's where I found your competitor. And to here. And to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs. And in here, I am right now looking at your website, the back end of your website, and I can see that there are 15 external websites with 85 links that are directing traffic towards your website. And that's exactly what a backlink is. It's a link in another website that is pointing to yours so that you can get more traffic. If I have a look at Palmetto Landscaping, these guys have 32 external websites with 155 backlinks. So definitely an opportunity there for you to have a look at this backlink profile, to start building it and making sure that these backlinks and that these referring domains or external websites are relevant to the services that you provide and to the industry that you operate in, so that Google can give you extra credits for this, because this is the mechanism or one of the most important mechanisms that Google takes into consideration to rank the websites according to the searches that users are performing. And it's like a popularity contest. And in this case, not all backlinks are created equal because there are links that are more powerful than others. So just that's something very important to bear in mind. Now, your website is being found for 133 organic keywords. And in this view, I can see what those keywords are. The search volume is the number of times that particular keyword is searched for per month in Google, and the position is in which position your website is appearing for the Google organic search. So anything beyond the 11th, 12th position means that you're already on the second page of Google, so it's going to be really hard to drive traffic. So for example, landscaping South Carolina has a search volume of 600, and you're in position 13 for that particular keyword. Landscapers Spartanburg South SE has a search volume of 150, and you're in position 8. Mulch Spartanburg, search volume 150, you're in position 10. If we have a look at these guys, Palmetto Landscaping, these guys are being found for 253 keywords, and you can see that they are ranking for quite a number of bio intent keywords. So, for example, landscape in Charleston, landscape in South Carolina, they're in fourth position. South Carolina landscaping, they're in fourth position. And the reason that the fact that they are ranking in the top positions makes it's possible for them to attract more and more traffic, and you can see it here in this column, the traffic. So the number of visits to their website is higher, and that's basically what you want to do. You want to identify what are the keywords with the highest search volume so that you can throw them in the content of your website, because then Google is going to rank you for those. And then if you build this backlink profile, then you're going to be able to outrank your competitors, and you're going to be able to grab all of their traffic. And then that means that a percentage of those potential customers are seeing your website, are going to end up in your website. Another percentage is going to pick up the phone and they're going to call you, and another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert into new customers. So I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information to improve your website, and please don't forget to give me your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.